Welcome back. Today we're in the King Cross section of Castleton, which is in Virginia Beach, Virginia. And we're at 1897 Somersby Lane. This is a 2000 built home that features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, over 2,400 square feet. Formal dining room, hardwood laminate floors, open concept. New ceramic tile in the foyer. The roof has been replaced. The HVAC systems have been replaced. Custom colors have been painted throughout the home. As we enter the foyer, we're taken directly into the family room. Features a gas fireplace. The TV system remains with the home. Coat closet. Added feature of this coat closet, which really isn't visible, there is an access panel in the rear that takes you back to an audio-visual cubby that is accessible behind the TV. Eat-in kitchen. Newer appliances, granite countertops, one of 2 pantries, included in your over 2,400 square feet is this builder's addition. It can be an exercise room, office, playroom, ceramic tile on the kitchen floor as well. Fully fenced backyard. Deck has been replaced. And as you can see, it is a waterfront property. Over here on the right is a half bath, upgraded. And behind this door is the second pantry, which extends over to the left. And we have the garage. Gas water heater. New exit door. Plenty of storage. Let's take a look upstairs. through the kitchen, getting the great room to the left, formal dining room to the right. Directly here to the right is the master bedroom. The other 3 bedrooms are straight ahead. Master bedroom. Walk-in closet. Very deep. Master bath. Tile floors. Dual sinks. Features a shower and a soaking tub. Straight ahead is the laundry. We'll take a peek in a minute. Guest bedroom. And this next door is a walk-in attic. Lots of extra storage space. The heating and air conditioning have been added to this space, so it could be converted into a room, or know that your storage space is air conditioned. Laundry. The family bath. Again, features dual sinks, upgraded, newer tile floor, custom paint colors. Sink area is separated from the toilet and tub area, making it very convenient. And the linen closet. The last 2 bedrooms very spacious. Every bedroom other than the guest bedroom has a view of the water feature in the backyard. The 4th bedroom. And there we have it, 1897 Somersby's Lane, Virginia Beach, Virginia. Contact your realtor for more information. Thanks.